Hi, guys. This week for social studies, we're going to be learning about the Puritans and the Massachusetts Bay Colony. The Puritans and the Pilgrims do have some things in common, but they do also have many differences. So, in today's lesson, we're going to talk about what was important to the Puritans, and also we're going to learn a little bit about the Massachusetts Bay Colony and how it came to be. John Winthrop was an important person to the Puritans. John Winthrop led 16 ships to the Massachusetts Bay. These ships brought many Puritans in cargo. Cargo, if you don't know, are goods being moved from one place to another. Setting up a Puritan town wasn't easy. The Puritans decided to live by the ocean or the coast. The two reasons for this were number one, they wanted to be able to fish, and number two, they wanted to be able to return to England. Blue laws. The Puritans had strict rules. Blue laws said how a person could act on Sundays, and they had to go to church all day. The blue laws also said that no one could celebrate Christmas. Town government. Towns were ruled by town meeting. Every person had the right to speak at these meetings. People voted on important issues. The group with the most votes won. This is called majority rule. People could also talk about problems in their town. The first public schools. Education was very important to the Puritans. They believed everyone should be able to read and understand the Bible. Students used horn books or wooden paddles with letters and sentences on it. If you look at the image on the right, this is an example of a horn book. You'll notice the alphabet and a prayer. The first school and college. The first public school in Boston was the Latin Grammar School, which is now called the Boston Latin School. And if you look at the image on the right, this is a picture of what it looks like today. The first college in Boston is called Harvard College, and it's located in Cambridge, Massachusetts. The Saugus Ironworks. Governor John Winthrop's son opened the first ironworks in Saugus, and you can actually still visit this place today. At the ironworks, iron ore was melted and made into tools, nails, pots, and kettles. At the Saugus Ironworks, water from the Saugus River makes the wheel turn. The water wheel powers the mill. And if you look at the image above, it shows you the Saugus Ironworks. Independent. The Massachusetts Bay Colony acted like an independent colony. Being independent means that you are not ruled or controlled by someone else. Commonwealth. Massachusetts is called the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. A commonwealth is a territory that governs itself. The people make the rules for the common good or wealth of all the people. The image beneath shows the Capitol building in Massachusetts. So let's review. The Puritans were living in Massachusetts. The King of England was still in charge of what happened in Massachusetts. And the colonists were building homes, schools, and towns, but they did not want to be under the control of the king.